I'm going to make a green curry today. I'm going to pick a few things from the garden. I'm going to start with the eggplants. So it's here. The big one. Snip off there. There's another one. The next thing I'm going to pick is a sweet basil. Here. So I'm going to snip it off from here. And that one. So there my sweet basil. The lemongrass is going to go in to make the paste. So I'm going to cut it from right next to the ground here. I'm just going to get rid of the outside leaf and snip off the root like that. And here's the last thing I will get for the herbs is kaffir lime. I got it here with me, so I'm going to pick a few leaves like that. Just pull it backward like that. Whoopsie! Here's my kaffir lime leaf. These are the ingredients for green curry paste. I have lemongrass here, galangal, coriander. I'm going to use the whole plant here, and the kaffir lime. I'm going to use just the green bit, and green chili, garlic, shallot, and the dry ingredients are got a white peppercorn here, roasted coriander seed, roasted cumin seed, salt, and shrimp paste. I'm going to chop the fresh ingredient now. I'm going to use the young part of lemongrass, which is about 2 inches from this end to here. Kind of thinly chop or slice. That should be okay. I'm going to pile this in here. And next, the galangal. I'm going to have a few slices, and I'm going to chop quite small. Next, chili. Coriander. Kaffir lime. Alright, I finished chopping the fresh ingredients now. I'm going to start to pound. I'm going to start with the dry ingredient. Go in white peppercorn and coriander seed, cumin seed. I'm going to start to pound this first until it become powder. Then I will add the other ingredients in. Next, I will put the hard bit in: lemongrass, galangal, and coriander roots in first, and the green bit I do it the next. Next, chili, coriander leaf, and the shallot and the garlic in. So the next thing I'm going to put now is the shrimp paste. That's very last to put in. So I'm Just going to have a closer checked. Yeah, if you like, you can make it more paste, but for me, I think that's okay. I'm going to spoon into a little bowl, and it'll be ready to cook. That's homemade green curry paste. It's gonna be nice. I will start to cook the curry now. These are the ingredients: big eggplant, big red chili but not spicy, sweet basil, kaffir lime leaf, the chicken breast, and thick coconut milk, thin coconut milk. Here is the curry paste that I prepared earlier, and for the seasoning, palm sugar and fish sauce. And now I'm going to start to prepare the ingredient. Okay. The eggplant, I'm going to cut the top off a little bit, cut in half. I'm going to make a big chunk. And I will drop into the water straight away, that way to stop the eggplant getting brown. Have another one to go. Make sure you press it in, otherwise the one that floats up, it will get brown. That's the next one, chili. Just going to slice like that. That should be enough. Put it back there for now. And the sweet basil, I'm just gonna get the leaf, pick up from the stem like that. I'm still gonna leave it there. That's done with the basils. Kaffir lime leaf. For the kaffir lime leaf, you can fold the leaf and pull the spine. That, crush the leaf to release the fragrance. Put it down there. Before I cut the chicken, I'm going to start to cook the curry paste. Gas on first. I'm going to leave it on the medium. First thing is the thick coconut milk. I'm going to add the paste. I will carry on cooking until the color of the green gets a little bit darker or get darker, or you can start to smell the fragrance. While I'm waiting for that, I'm going to start to cut the chicken. Here the chicken breast. What I'll do, I'll cut in half like that first. Got two pieces like that, and I'm gonna cut this way, and going to kind of slice it like that. When you cut the chicken or slice the chicken, you're going across the grain or fiber. You can see the fiber going that way. I'm going that way, so that way make the chicken tender, or any kind of meat. You get tender if you cut that way, slide that way. Right, it's done now. Go back to the curry. So now you can see the color getting darker green than when I start. I'm going to start to add in the chicken. So when the chicken's half cooked, I'm going to start to add the thin coconut milk. Start to Add the coconut milk, the thin one. Gently stir. The chicken have been cooked for quite a while now. I think it's all cooked nicely. It's time to add the eggplants in. Eggplants in. Seasoning. Palm sugar. Fish sauce. We're only going to cook for a few minutes because we don't want the eggplant to overcooked. Kind of scoop up and turn it. I'm going to taste it now. A little bit spicy, but it's nice. So when it's add the herbs in, it's going to be a lot nicer. Alright, now the eggplants cook enough, as I don't want them to get overcooked, so I'm going to add some herbs in and the chili. Gas off now. I'm going to spoon into the bowl for serving. Some eggplant and the chicken. Bit of the sauce.